Hello guys, welcome to an exclusive video. Today I'm having an interesting video to share for you guys, which is how you can promote your offers on my lead affiliate network. If you watch my previous video, I explained to you guys how you can make money from my lead affiliate network. I'm very sure some guys will be like thinking, how can I promote my offers on my lead affiliate network? So today in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can add traffic to your my lead affiliate network to your own personal dashboard, how you can add traffic and how you can apply for offers that you want to promote. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So I'm going to show you step by step how you can do all these things. So guys, for you to start promoting offers, you need to add traffic sources to your own dashboard. So I'm going to show you how you can add traffic to your dashboard so that you can start promoting offers on my lead affiliate network. So you go to your own personal dashboard on my lead. Go to your own dashboard. Watch my previous videos. I explained for you guys how you can create an account on my lead and how you can make money on this same my lead affiliate network. So you will log in. Traffic sources enable the advertiser to know which publisher promoted his offer. So you need to add traffic sources on your own dashboard so that to enable the advertiser to know that you are the one that promoted their offers. So go and add traffic sources. As you can see, I've already signed into my personal dashboard on my lead. So we are going to add traffic source. We are going to add traffic sources before you can start promoting offers on this my lead affiliate network. Because without traffic source, you can't apply for offers and you can't pay. So you need to add traffic sources to your dashboard. As you can see, all these are my traffic sources. Casolo online.wordpress.com is a blog and it has been approved. All these are my traffic sources that I add. This is for Twitter, Casolo, Twitter and Casolo.com. All these are my traffic sources. You see the status of the traffic sources, whether it has been approved or it has been rejected. So you have to check your address for your own profile so that you won't make mistake. You copy the address and you put it here. So they will approve it. Once they approve it, you will see approve. Once it has been rejected, it will show reject. So you go to add a traffic source. If you want to add traffic sources, so you click on social media. You click on social media. Once you click on social media, you select the media that you want to add traffic source from. Is it Facebook? Is it Twitter? Is it YouTube? Is it Instagram that you want to add traffic source to? So as you can see, you select the social media platform that you want to add traffic source to. So once you select, you type in the URL. If it is YouTube, you type in the URL to the channel. In these categories, you select under which aspect. Is it home and appliance that you want to promote offers for? Is it social media platform that you want to promote offers for? So you have to select which medium you want to promote your offers here on my lead affiliate network. So these are the list of categories. Is it health and beauty you want to create offers for? Is it business? Is it investment platforms? So you select, you tick the one that you are interested in. If it is credits you want to promote offers on, then you select, you write the number of subscriptions that you want, 500. You select 18 plus. Then you add it. So as you can see, it's pretty much easy to add traffic sources to your own dashboard in order to enable you promote offers on this my lead affiliate network. So for you to, after you add traffic sources to your own dashboard, then you go to campaigns, you go to list of campaigns. So before the list of campaigns, you can check your configurations, the campaigns that you have applied and you have been approved to like promote. So you see it in the list of your configuration. In this your configuration, you see the offers that you applied on this your configuration. So all these offers I apply for them and I have been approved. So in this configuration, you see the list of offers that you applied and you have been approved. So all these are the list of offers that are applied and I have been approved in order to promote them on this my lead affiliate network. So for you to apply for offer, you go to campaigns, list of campaigns. So like I told you people, you have to check the offers before you apply them, whether the offer is valid for your own country. Because if you apply for offer that is not valid for your own country, you can't be paid for it. So you go to expand all programs and check the offers that are valid for your country. Let's assume here in Nigeria. Let's see the offers that are valid in my country here in Nigeria. So we'll check and see which offer is valid. So like assuming, for instance, this bet winner is valid for us here in Nigeria. It's valid here in Nigeria. This bet winner, as you can see, is valid for Nigeria. So you apply for it. I've already applied for it. So if you apply for offer, once you have been approved, you see a green arrow here pointing. So that means you have been approved for the offer. So we'll go and check which offers that are valid for Nigeria too. So this adult smart ring is valid for Nigeria too. So for you to easily find offers to promote in your country, you go to filters. If you click on filters, you select your country. I'm going to select Nigeria to see the offers that I can promote here in Nigeria, that I can apply here in Nigeria and promote them here in Nigeria. So I'm going to search for offers that I can promote here in Nigeria. As you can see, this is Nigeria. I'm going to select Nigeria, and I will search for the offers that I can promote here in Nigeria. It's loading. So as you can see, all these offers, I can promote them here in Nigeria. Let's assume this one XBet. If you check it, you see you can promote it here in Nigeria. So as you can see, I can promote this offer here in Nigeria. So I'm going to apply for the offer by clicking the arrow here. Once you click on that arrow, then you go to URL address, configuration setting. Here it enables you to create a unique link. Like I said, you have to apply your traffic sources. So here you type the traffic sources that you have. So all these are my traffic sources. All these are the list of my traffic sources. So I'm going to select all the traffic sources that I have. So once I put my traffic sources, my lead will detect that I'm the one promoting their offers on that same platform that I'm promoting the offer on. So all these are my traffic sources. I'm going to select them all. All these are my traffic sources. My Twitter handle, my WordPress. So as you can see, I've already added traffic sources. So here you describe how you intend to promote their offers. So I'm going to type, I am going to use my Facebook, Twitter, and WordPress accounts to be sharing vital information and links that will redirect visitors to your website. So once I written it, I type something like this, I'll go and apply for it. Click on I have read the terms and condition. So this will enable me to be approved to promote this same offer easily. So I'll wait for approval. Once I've been approved, then I can start promoting this offer. So I hope you enjoy this video that I explain for you how you can promote offers on my lead affiliate network and how you can add traffic sources to your own dashboard. So I hope you enjoy this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Till we see you in my next video. Thank you. Goodbye. Gaskiya.